Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to create RAR and zip files for your Huawei Nova 9 SE using app called Rar. So in order to do that, we'll need to select the files that we want to compress, and mine are located in the DCIM and camera. There are 3 pictures. So I will select them like this, and when I'm ready, because I selected everything, I can press on this plus button right here. Now I can begin creating my RAR file. So the first thing is to make sure that I have the RAR extension. If you want to create zip file, just select it to zip or rar4.x. Now we can set the password for our RAR file, and it will be 1234. If you're not sure that you've entered the password correctly, you can press this option to show you the password. You can encrypt the file names as well. After that you've done, press OK. Now you can change the name of the RAR file. We'll call it pictures. You can also delete the files after archiving or create solid archive. If you go to advanced, you can change any of these settings, and in the options there's a few more options as well, which I'm not gonna change. In the comments you can leave a comment about this RAR file, like its contents or something. So I will just add a comment called free pictures. And when everything is done, we can go back to general and press OK to create our RAR file. When it's done, it should be created in the folder that the pictures already were, and it's right here. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.